Hello, this is Debra Carmona. I have a brand new camera. What do you think of it? My children for Mother's Day got together, they pitched in, and they bought me a whole new setup. A new camera with a portable mic. I can be far away and you can still hear me very clearly. I hope. I expect. I'm not wearing the wind muffler because it's a pretty calm day, so it should be fine. And a stabilizer, which I don't know how to use it yet. I don't know how it connects to the camera. I gotta figure that out. So anyways, I'm making this short little video as a test of my new product, and tell me what you think about it. I did make a little video of my husband cutting down a tree just to play with the camera and figure out how it works. And I got to make some adjustments. The zoom in and out feature is different because I used to be able to just move a lever. Now I've got to do things a little differently. So I've got to get used to my new setup. Tell me what you think of the video. I mean, the quality of the video. Enjoy my husband cutting down a tree. We've got a lot of trees to cut down. So this is one of many to come. Looks like I see rain clouds. Dark rain clouds are coming. It might rain today, but it's such a beautiful sunny day. I mean, this is the perfect kind of weather. I love it. I hope everything's good. Three fingers left.
3 fingers?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I gotta go do the croissants.
Yeah.
Just 3 branches left to take down this tree, this scrub oak that we don't like. Is that gonna fall on me?
Well, if you want to be more safer, be on this side.
Just as a little follow-up, you can see the moss here that I showed you in my previous video that is growing in our yard. It is turning brown. My husband took some baking soda and threw it on the moss. Let me see where we have some green moss here that needs to die because he ran out of the baking soda. But that worked pretty good. Baking soda kills moss, so we are tackling the moss. We're going to have to dig all this up too. See around the base of this tree, that's another tree we want to take out. It's a scrub oak, not a very pretty tree, but there's moss around the base of it. You can see most of it is brown. My husband's out shopping. He's going to get some more baking soda so that we can tackle the moss problem in our yard. Did you cut a wedge?
Yeah, I'm trying to work it out. Reggie.
Timber!
Timber!
You did it.
Some.
You got it down. Right now the wind has picked up, so you'll get to see how the wind muffler on the mic works. So the tree is chopped down. Jose needs to haul this. We'll probably both have to work on moving it to the burn pile. Our burn pile is quite big, but this is actually one of 2 burn piles. We have another one out back. Here's the rest of the tree, but there's also other yard garbage in there. There's actually 2 parts of 2 trees in there, a tree root, and some dead leaves and just some other yard debris of fallen branches from when storms come through. So we've got 2 burn piles to burn again, which is constant around here. With that tree gone, now from our driveway, you can see our house more clearly. Kind of opens it up. There has to be a cat in my video. It's just the way it is. This is my outside cat. We call her Grandma because she's the grandmother of the kitties inside.